I'm going to show you how to make an origami bookmark. Origami is the art of paper folding, so all you need is paper. Any kind of paper works. You can use paper from a notebook, even wrapping paper, leftover paper you maybe have from holidays. You could cut up a gift bag, or you could use construction paper like I have. You'll need some scissors and something to draw with. And then if you want to add anything, you can use stickers or glitter or anything else that you have to make it special. It's really easy. I'll show you what to do next. For this, I'm going to use this red construction paper. Now I have a big piece of paper, but all I want is just a square. That's what I want to start with. So how do I get this rectangle to be a square? Well, I could measure it. I could use a ruler, and I could make sure that I cut out a shape that has 4 sides that are all the same. Or I'll show you an easier way. You take your big piece of paper and you're going to fold it from one corner up to the other side. You see how that lines up right there? And then I'm going to push it down. Ask for help if you need help. Push, push, push it down, increase it. Now, I have this shape. And you see this extra long rectangle at the bottom, underneath this triangle shape? We're going to cut that off. So I'll take my scissors and I'll cut along the bottom of that triangle shape, and I cut the rectangle off. Now, when I open up this triangle, what do you think I might find? A square! Isn't that cool? You can take a rectangle, fold a triangle, cut a rectangle, and then you get a square. That's a lot of shapes. So that's what we're going to start with, a square. Get your square, and I'll meet you back here. Friends. So we have our square, but we're actually going to start with it as a triangle, okay? So just follow along with what I do. We're going to take this, and we're going to fold one of the corners up to the top of the triangle. And just match it up there, and then press that down, okay? And we're going to do that with the other side, okay? I'll show you. Do that with the other side, fold it up, and we're going to match it up to the top and press it down. Okay, so we're actually going to fold those triangle corners up, and now we're going to get a square shape, okay? We're going to fold these two back open, okay? That just shows you where things are going to get folded. So now you see where you folded up. It has this crease, but we're going to work on it like this. Okay. Now you're going to take just one sheet of the paper, and you're going to fold that all the way down so it meets the bottom of this triangle. And then you're going to crease that down, okay? Like that. Now we're going to take these corners that are still sticking out, and we're going to fold them up, and we're going to tuck it in to that pocket. You see that? Good. I'll show you again. So this side, we're going to do the same thing, okay? We're going to fold it up, and we're going to tuck it in. Just one layer. See? It kind of tucks into that little pocket. See? Do you see how you kind of made a pocket with the paper? There you go. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so that's going to be your corner bookmark. It's just that easy. You can make so many of these, and you can decorate them however you would like. I'll show you how they work. I'm going to take my book. You know I love Elmo. And let's say I stopped right here and I want to save my place. So I'm going to put the corner of my book page into my bookmark, and now I've saved my spot. And it's easy to remove it, take it off, and put it on another page. Just like that. And then you can use this to make it a face if you want to. I think I'm gonna make an Elmo. And I'll show you how I did it. And I'm gonna make Elmo So you know Elmo has white circle eyes with black circles, a bigger circle nose. So I'm going to work on that. And I just took some white paper and cut out eyes. Just cut out little circle shapes. This was some Christmas paper that I had, so I just used the other side. And then I cut out a large orange circle for his nose. There you go, what do you think? There's your Elmo bookmark. So now if I'm reading this Elmo book and I need to stop and come back to it, I can put this on the corner of the page where I left off and I'll be able to come back to it. Hello! Hey friends, here's another one that I made and I added my name so we know this is Mrs. Kamin's bookmark, and I even added some teeth sticking out. And you can make all of the different characters that you like. You can make Pete the cat, you can make Clifford, you can make Peppa Pig, you could make other Sesame Street characters like Cookie Monster or Big Bird or Oscar the Grouch, whatever you like. A Paw Patrol, superheroes. You could even make one that looks like Mom or Dad. Have fun.